Hello there, I'm Trisha Anastasio and I'm a pharmacist from Trifecta Pharmaceuticals. Trifecta Pharmaceuticals is a leading manufacturer of Globe brand over-the-counter ointments, creams, and gels. Thirst is usually the first clue that we're dehydrated. We start to feel parched after a day out in the sun, air travel, vigorous physical activities such as hiking or sports, a bout of food poisoning, or even certain medical conditions. It's our body's way of telling us that fluid levels are getting too low and we need to replace liquids and electrolytes as soon as possible. TRIORAL Rehydration salts are designed to help you rehydrate when your body is giving you these signals. The easy-to-use formulation is based on World Health Organization guidelines and designed to provide you with a quick and convenient way of replacing electrolytes and rehydrating your body. TRIORAL Rehydration salts are a balanced combination of electrolytes and glucose that optimizes absorption via the intestinal tract. It is gluten-free and free from artificial sweeteners, flavors, colors, and preservatives. TRIORAL Rehydration salts are available in convenient, pre-formulated packages for use at home or on the go, so you never need to be caught without a remedy for your dehydration. TRIORAL Rehydration salts are recommended for use in adults and children over the age of 12 years old. Dissolve 1 sachet into 1 liter of water and drink as required. For more information, please visit www.trioralors.com.